Okay guys, so after watching a bunch of the Toyota Camry videos and reading some threads about their intermediate steering shaft fixes, I decided to go ahead and try one myself on the 06 Sienna. So I locked down the steering wheel, hopefully well enough, with a bungee cord to there. Where is it? There. Okay. And then I marked, sorry about the sounds. I marked, where is it? There it is. The steering shaft connector, or whatever it's called, with the splines very lightly and probably not effectively enough with a pin. And now my goal is going to be to remove the bolt, bring it down, slide it in and out to slide it out as far as I can to get to the splines in here, clean off the splines, put new lithium grease in there, and connect it back. So let's see how that works. Okay, so this isn't going to be the most groundbreaking videography, but I have my socket wrench up there, and I'm going to loosen that bolt and take out the intermediate steering shaft from that spline. So let's see. Alright, so I'm slowly getting it. It's pretty much out. Well, I got it out, but damn it, I turned the steering wheel and then I forgot to put the bungee cord back on, so the steering wheel moved a bit. Hope I didn't damage anything. I guess we'll find out. So for now, there we go. See those splines? How dirty they are? Cruddy they are. I'm gonna take a rag and clean them off, and then squirt new lithium grease down there and see what happens. Alright, so that's with it completely cleaned off. Now I'm gonna get the lithium grease and re-grease it. So I got two types of lithium grease. I got a aerosol, like PB blaster, I guess, lithium grease, and then I got this stuff. I have a needle and syringe, so I'm gonna draw that up and then try that route with this first, and if that doesn't work, this will be quicker, so I'll use that. Okay, so the needle route didn't work because it just kind of bent the needle, so I'm just gonna go with this, see how it goes. So I'm attempting to get in the splines. Then you want to slide it. And I'm gonna wipe it and attempt it again. I'm also gonna squeeze some of this on there from the other tube, some of the Lucas stuff. See, and you can't even spin the shaft, so I mean, obviously, because it's connected to the rack. So had my steering wheel not spun, this would have been pretty simple to put back together. But of course, I had to forget to strap it down that second time, so I guess we'll see if I need a new clock spring after this. Alright, so I'd say I coated it enough. What do you guys think? I'm going to connect it again to the steering wheel end of it and And I know I'm gonna have a hard time with that because the steering wheel spun, but stay tuned. All right, so I lined everything back up. I hope the wheel didn't spin too much when it actually spun, but I believe I lined everything back up. It's either exactly right or it's literally one spline away from where it should be. Okay, so as I drive, my steering wheel's cocked like this, and the car's going straight. So I guess I need to turn it back 1 or 2 splines and see what that does. But pretty much this is straight right now. Alright, so I readjusted, and so far it appears that it's a success. This is me, well, not exactly going straight, but that's my fault, not the car's fault. So let's see, I'm going straight. This is me going straight. So it would appear that yeah, I mean this is straight. So it would appear that I have it lined up again properly, which I'm happy about, obviously. Hopefully I didn't damage the clock spring, but I mean everything seems to work. All the steering wheel buttons and stuff. So from what I just briefly read, if those things don't work, that's a good indication that your clock spring is bad, or if your airbag light is on, which neither of those things are happening.